Okay, so today's project, yesterday, the, we've got a shop, a beauty salon in the south half of this property in town, and they said that the air conditioning wasn't keeping up. So I already, on the outside, took a hose, sprayed the air conditioner down, the fins and that, try to get any dirt or crud that might be blocking that from operating efficiently. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the HEPA filter out of here and see what we got. My guess is, so I turned the fuse off, turned the system off. My guess is this is gonna be a little ugly because I'm not exactly sure when the last time this was changed. Should be done probably twice a year at least. Now, gotta look at it, airflow that way. And how bad is it? Not good. Not bad either. I mean, this does not look great. So we're going to start with that. I'm going to go get one. And airflow is to the furnace that way. That makes sense. So I'm going to go, they open at 8. I'm going to run down and get one. Put one in right away. We'll see what we got going on. Step 1. Then we got to go down to Wausau today. We got a bunch of stuff down there to take care of. All right. Stay tuned. Oh my goodness, my definition of heaven. Lines of mowers and ATV equipment. I'm at Lang Equipment here in Rothschild, Wisconsin. They're in Marshfield and Medford, and they donated a year ago to a snowmobile club outing. They donated the leaf blower I have and the string trimmer that I have, and they're excellent. So I've got 2 batteries for those. So I just ordered a chainsaw from them, a battery operated chainsaw. I want to give that a try. But yeah, they're right off of Highway 51 here, Lang. And since they donated the stuff, I just felt it was important for me to, buy that chainsaw from them. I could buy it from online, but just felt it was important to come in and give them some business. So they have to ship it up from their Marshfield store, and then I'll pick it up next week when I'm down here again working at Rib Mountain or Weston. But very nice people, nice store laid out. Gosh, I love looking at all the power equipment that they have in there. So if you're in the area, check it out, or they're online too. You can order from them. Highly recommend it. Nice people. So hit that like and subscribe button, and we're going on to the next project today. Boy, I sure seem to be spending a decent amount of time at yard waste sites. This one's down in Weston. I just was down to our Weston duplex. There must have been some damage earlier, and they had stacked some stuff out by the road. And Weston called me yesterday and said, we're not doing pickup until fall. Can you deal with it? And so came down today. This is what was all stacked out alongside the road. I'm guessing they were hoping somebody would take it for a campfire or something. Nobody took it, so I'm dealing with it right now. I get this done, then I'm on the Blue Jay. I left Tomahawk, bright sunshiny skies, got down here. It's drizzly today. So I was going to trim some trees up. I don't know if that's going to happen. I think it's going to be mow the lawn and get the mom and dads to do a little painting for them. Hit that subscribe button, please, and continue to watch the videos. I really appreciate it. I do. Thank you for tuning in again or watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Final step, I stopped out at mom and dad's and I blended the paint in, and we got that right. It was white behind there from where the old toilet seat or old toilet tank was and showing. And so we got the paint, matches in almost perfect. So very happy with how that turned out. Hit that subscribe button. Check out the other videos.